Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can remove family link from Google account on Chromebook. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for family link. Now open this link from the results and you will be redirected to this web page. After that, make sure your family link account is logged in. If it isn't, sign into it and follow me. Now, you will be redirected to the home page of your account. Here, your child's account will be present in the left sidebar. Simply select it, open its Controls tab, and then go to Account Settings. Here, select Account Info tab at the top. Then, on this page, scroll down to the bottom and select Remove Member. Now, confirm your action and you are good to go. So that's basically how you can remove family link from Google account on Chromebook. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.